Here it is. Here is my review about Apple's most budget iPhone ever, the iPhone SE. What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, the way that I do my reviews is I rate every single aspect of a product. In this review, I'm going to rate the iPhone SE by the design, the display and fit, battery life, the cameras, the speed, the features / innovation, and the value that the iPhone actually has. Once I give you all of those ratings, I'm actually going to grab all the ratings, combine them, and have one number, and that is going to be my score for the iPhone SE. So, let's start off with the design. The design of the iPhone SE is not revolutionary. It doesn't push boundaries. In the front, we get the exact same design as the iPhone 6, 6S, 7, and the iPhone 8. We get these huge black bezels on the front, and on the back, we get the Apple logo on the center, and we get a glass back. The iPhone SE is available in 3 colors, red, white, and black. As I just said, the design is not innovating, but that doesn't actually mean that the iPhone SE's design is a bad design. I mean, if Apple has actually used it for so many years, they've used it for a good reason. That's why I'm going to give the design 2 out of 5 lemons. The iPhone SE has a 4.7-inch LCD display, which is very small and very comfortable to hold. The Retina HD display has True Tone. It's got a wide color display. It's got haptic touch as well. If we forget about all of the specs, the display looks amazing, especially for the price that the iPhone actually will cost you. That's why I'm going to give the display 4 out of 5 lemons. So the battery life on the iPhone SE is by far the weakest aspect of this iPhone. Apple says that it lasts you 8 hours of video playback. I am personally getting 4 to 5 hours of battery life, and that is some really not good battery life. So if you want a smartphone with great battery life, well, this is probably not the right smartphone for you. That's why I'm giving battery life 1 rotten lemon. The iPhone SE shoots stunning photos and videos with a 12 megapixel rear camera and a 7 megapixel front camera. It can actually do portrait mode with one single camera, which is very impressive, and the results are stunning. It's got the next generation smart HDR. In conclusion, the camera is simply incredible. Incredible. Cameras on the iPhone SE are 5 lemons for sure. Moving over to speed, the iPhone SE has the exact same chip as the latest and greatest iPhone 11 Pro. Yes, a $399 phone has the exact same chip as a $1,000 iPhone 11 Pro. That is amazing. A great thing about great performance is that this iPhone will last you a bunch of years because of the A13 Bionic chip that this iPhone actually has. 5 lemons for sure. The iPhone SE is not an iPhone that wants to innovate. It's not the type of iPhone that has features to convince you to buy it. There is no innovation on the iPhone SE. Having a home button is kind of a thing of the past. It's not a bad thing. I'm loving going back to the home button. I kind of miss it. It's got its positive and negative aspects on going back to a home button and Touch ID. Everything on this iPhone works flawlessly, but it's not a product that pushes technology to its limits. 2 lemons for features and innovation. The biggest feature on the iPhone SE is its value. This is the key selling point of this iPhone, that $399 price tag. I cannot stress this enough on how great of a value the iPhone SE actually is. It's got great performance. It's got great camera. The value, $399. Ugh, 5 lemons go to value without a single doubt. Alright, so if we compile all of the ratings that I've given the iPhone SE and calculate one score out of 5 lemons, the final rating that the iPhone SE has is a 3.5, which I'm just going to turn it into a 4. I'm loving the iPhone SE, and as you guys know, I'm actually selling my iPhone 11 Pro for you. To prove everybody that this is not the iPhone for people that don't like tech or that this is not a flagship. I get it. The iPhone SE is technically not a flagship, but it's actually got flagship specs. And the best thing of all is that it's got the best price tag that you'll ever find on an iPhone.
That's life. That's life. That's what all the people say.